Construct 3 versus GDevelop 5. Which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create engaging games without complex coding. Both Construct 3 and GDevelop 5 offer unique features for game development. Construct 3 and GDevelop 5 are popular no-code game engines designed for beginners and professionals alike. The core difference lies in Construct 3's subscription-based web platform versus GDevelop 5's free open-source desktop application. Construct 3 is a powerful browser-based game engine focusing on drag-and-drop simplicity combined with a visual event system. It works entirely online, allowing users to build 2D games without writing code. Its strength lies in a polished interface, extensive built-in behaviors, and seamless export options to platforms like HTML5, Android, and iOS. Construct 3 supports real-time previews and collaborative workflows, making it ideal for teams and solo developers who want quick iteration cycles. However, it requires a paid subscription for full access, which might be limiting for hobbyists or those on a budget. Also, reliance on a web browser can pose challenges if offline work is preferred. Construct 3 suits users looking for a professional, ready-to-go environment with strong support and frequent updates, especially those comfortable with subscription models. GDevelop 5 is a free open-source game engine available as a desktop application, emphasizing accessibility and community-driven development. It features a visual programming system based on events, allowing users to create 2D games without prior coding knowledge. GDevelop 5 shines with its no-cost model, offline capabilities, and support for multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and HTML5. Its open-source nature means users can customize or extend the engine, which appeals to developers interested in flexibility and control. However, its interface can feel less polished compared to Construct 3, and some advanced features may require more manual setup. GDevelop 5 is perfect for independent creators, educators, and hobbyists who prioritize cost-effectiveness and open-source freedom over a subscription service. Construct 3 offers a streamlined browser-based experience with premium features and excellent support, making it suitable for professional developers or teams who want fast, polished workflows. In contrast, GDevelop 5 provides an open-source, offline-friendly environment that's ideal for budget-conscious users and those who want more control over their tools. Construct 3's subscription model ensures continuous updates and cloud integration, but limits offline use, while GDevelop 5's free desktop app supports offline work, but may require more manual configuration. For rapid prototyping and commercial projects, Construct 3's robust features shine. Meanwhile, GDevelop 5 excels in educational settings and indie development where customization and cost are key. Both engines use event-based visual scripting, but the choice depends on your workflow preferences and budget. Choose Construct 3 if you need a polished, subscription-backed platform with cloud features and quick deployment for professional or collaborative game development. Opt for GDevelop 5 if you prefer a free open-source engine that works offline and offers flexibility for indie developers and educators. Both engines serve different needs, so select the one that fits your project scope and budget best.